All right, good evening and welcome to um, calculated class. Let's try to learn how to do calculated in Access. We were supposed to do this in class, but unfortunately we couldn't. So we have to use this opportunity to learn it. Please, if you remember that in class I took the pace to teach you this, then don't worry watching this. But you can watch it for the sake of exams because it's part of your questions. And I didn't want anybody to lose any of the marks, so I decided to do this short video for you. So as usual, let's switch to normal. Let's give this table a name known as test. Then we select okay. So before then, let me make it big, yeah, so that we can see it clearer with what I'm typing. All right. So like we could see, let's allow the ID part to be there. Then let's make this first name, then data type short test, leave it like that. Then second name, let's create all these files. So then the last name, okay, they should all be short tests like this, except the ID, which is supposed to be auto number. Yeah, make this one short test. Then after that, you can now switch mode, and it will ask you to save it. Yes. So now we are back to the data entry view. That is entry view. Now at this point, we have all this. We have the first name, second name, and last name. But remember, there is something here known as click to add. The arrow pointing to click to add, you select on that arrow, then this pop-up will come. We want to do calculated. To go to calculated field, this is what I'm talking about, calculated field. When you select calculator field, another pop-up will come. Test, number, currency, yes or no, and then date and time. What we are doing, what we specify here are all strings, so they are test. So let's select test from here. Select calculator field and select what? Test. Now this box will come where we are going to write some small code, just a few line of code. Now what we are going to do is we are going to tell the software that when I enter my first name, I enter my second name, and I enter my last name, and I click on that box, then any box near me, put all my names together and display it in one format rather than making it 111 like I've entered. So let's call the first one. The first one is first name. The moment I tap FI, even if it is small letters, you see that it has suggested the correct one for me. Double click on it, it will select. F, then it has select. Now we learned that concatenation sign is the plus, so you're going to concatenate the first name to the second name and then to the last name. That's what you're going to do. So concatenate sign will come. But if we don't give spaces between the names, everything that we do, the first name, the second name, everything will be put together. They will all be together, but we don't want it to be that way, so we have to give an empty string and a space like this. Give space and an empty string again like this. Then bring the concatenation sign again. Then we are adding the second name, SE, then second name appear like this. Double click on it to select. Alright. Okay, so then concatenate second name. Okay, then concatenate empty string space, empty string space, then concatenate what? The last name. Good, that one too is here. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what I wanted us to do for the concatenation. We are going to add all these three names, the first name, put together the second name, third name, and the last name. So when I enter my name, so after doing this, just click OK. That's all. Now the name of the field is required for us to provide. So let's call it full name. So here we are going to say that when I enter my first name, my second name, and my third name, the moment I click on full name, it's supposed to combine my first name, second name, and last name for me in one row for me. Okay, so let's try something funny. Here let's enter our first name Kwame, then second name Osu, and this place will be Ansa. Alright, so these are my name, my first name, second name, and then last name. The moment I click on full name, it should combine Kwame, Osu, Ansa automatically without me typing anything. But look at it, it has been hidden here. So make sure your mouse is plus like this, then open it wide, then you see the whole name. So this is it. This is all about calculated field. So in the exams, we will give you similar thing and we'll ask you to do it. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, that is all for the day, and we are not going to waste much time. Please take it serious, because during exams we are going to do the same thing. Take your time and watch it. In case of any problem, kindly fall upon me. Yeah, thank you very much for watching.